Yo, what's going on, everybody? Hope everyone is doing well. Let's talk about the instruments that I'm looking for this week. Let's start off with the instruments that I was looking last week, which were Palladium and the Mexican Peso. So let's start with Palladium because it's the one that gave us the move that we wanted. Last week we were talking about the Palladium was in a monthly demand zone. Uh, so so yeah, it's a drop base rally. All right, it's the demand zone is represented by the red rectangle, and then we go to the daily. We had a beautiful daily demand zone inside of the monthly demand zone, and then the price was last week inside of uh, both monthly and daily demand zones. The fundamental aspects, we said that the users and producers were extremely or all-time net bullish on Palladium contracts, futures contracts. So all we were looking for, we were waiting for, was a change of structure, which was from lower lows. We created, we were expecting to create a higher high to create a higher low to then continue to the upside. That's exactly what it did. The only thing was that I was expecting a deeper pullback. I was expecting a pullback minimum to this area, but unfortunately it didn't give us that deep pullback as I wanted. I remember looking at the chart just like this, right here at this candle. At this candle right here, it closed as a bullish variation pattern, and then I was hesitant to enter the trade uh, because I thought it was gonna come a little bit deeper. So it is what it is. It was approximately like a 2 to 1, if I'm not mistaken. Let me put it right here. Yeah, Palladium. Let's go to 40 minutes. To 40 minutes. Yeah, so it was around yeah, 2 to 1 risk to reward, or 1 to 2 risk to reward. Yeah, exactly. 1 to 2 risk to reward. I could have ex stretched it a little bit more, but I was more than happy with a 2 to 1. The 1 to 2, I'm sorry, risk to reward. So yeah, it is what it is. We missed that move, but it makes me more confident with my strategy, you know. So more opportunities are gonna come. So we're gonna just discard now Palladium. So let's talk about Mexican peso, which is the one that I'm looking for this week, which looks amazing. So this is the Mexican peso futures chart. We're currently in a weekly and daily demand zone. So we have the big brother, small brother concept. We have seasonality perfectly aligned with uh, our analysis. We go to the daily, we can see that we already uh, got the bottom, and then we're supposed to keep going up until like a month from now, until around the 15th, or oh no, this is actually August. So maybe until August we will see uh, the Mexican peso rise. So also we have the election month of in Mexico. So that's it's historically the the election month in Mexico has been bullish every single time. So yeah, we're expecting June and July to be very bullish. So let's go now to the USD Mexican peso, which is what we're gonna trade. Since we know that the Mexican peso is gonna go up, we're gonna short the USD Mexican peso. So USD Mexican peso, we have this beautiful daily demand zone. Let me show it to you guys real quick. Yeah, we have this daily demand zone. We already reached that daily demand zone. All we're looking for is what I told you guys last week. I told you guys that we're looking for we're waiting for to create from higher highs to go higher lows and then break this bullish structure and then convert into bearish. So now finally we broke this bullish structure. This was the last higher low. We broke the higher low. Now this means that we're in a bearish trend. So all we're looking for is a pullback, and then the pullback I want it to be like around here. Uh, and then after that we wait for the bearish engulfing, stop loss around here, and then we're targeting the next uh demand zone, which is down here. This is clean traffic right here. This is a beautiful trade that we're expecting. So that's that. Then let's talk about gold and silver real quick. Uh so we have here on the daily, we have two demand zones. Last week we reached this demand zone, and fundamentals are bearish in gold. We can see the users and producers. We can see that they're very bearish compared to their previous behavior. Here they were super bearish. Look what happened here. They were super bearish. Look what happened here. They were very bearish. We had like 2 or 3 weeks going down, and then now we're super bearish. So I'm expecting a move minimum to this to 22.32. Um so so as I said last week, we got into the zone, um that supply zone, and we rejected that zone. So 240 minutes, we were higher doing higher highs, and then now we're doing uh we broke this bullish structure. Now I'm expecting a pullback to continue to the downside. Now silver, it's the same thing. The only thing with silver is that I love the fundamental aspect of silver. If you guys thought that the users and producers were bearish in gold, look at silver. Silver is extremely bearish. All right. So look what happened here. They were this bearish, and then look at this massive move. Note that we're in a weekly chart. So we're actually very bearish. The only thing with silver is that I don't have much technical confluence. So I can see that there's a drop base drop, which is this would be the supply zone. Now, now on the daily, we don't have like here. It would have been perfect if we had a rally and then indecisive candle and then this explosive candle to a downside. It would have been a beautiful, beautiful supply zone, but it didn't give us that supply zone. So we gotta bear with what the market gives us. So the only thing that I don't like right now is that silver is still in the bullish structure. It's doing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and we're still in the bullish structure. So I'm expecting price to just break the structure, and then I would love for silver to give me a steep pullback, like right around here. It would be like a 61.8 level on the fib, or 71, I believe, is the other number. And then bearish engulfing, and then uh we place the shorts. That would be the ideal scenario. So we'll see. So that's all I have for this week. It's gonna be a pretty good week, I believe. So let's see. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. Peace.